Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 和 step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 和 What, how, why, which. How, why, which, and as Chinese surname 和. For example, 如何 How? What way? So, how do we solve these problems? 我们如何解决这些问题呢？ How do we solve these problems? 我们如何解决这些问题呢？我们如何 How do we 解决这些问题呢？ So how do we solve these problems? 我们如何解决这些问题呢？和 in cursive. 和 what, how, why, which, surname 和 如何 how, what way. So how do we solve these problems? 我们如何解决这些问题呢？和 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 和. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.